The greatest mystery of the universe may finally be solved. Scientists have just discovered the true nature of dark energy, the force that is speeding up the expansion of our universe. And it has to do with the way that space-time itself is affected by quantum fluctuations. Here's the scoop! Dark energy was discovered in the late 1990s when astronomers noticed that distant supernova were dimmer than expected. At first, scientists thought this could mean that the universe was decelerating because of gravity. After all, if the universe was filled with matter, gravity would cause everything to slow down. But they found something even weirder. Instead of slowing down, the expansion of the universe was actually speeding up. That could only mean one thing. There had to be some kind of repulsive force pushing things apart. And that mysterious force was dubbed dark energy. Today, scientists know that dark energy makes up roughly 2/3 of the entire universe. But exactly what it is remains a complete mystery. One leading hypothesis is that dark energy is a kind of quantum phenomenon. But until recently, physicists couldn't figure out exactly how it worked. Now, a team of physicists from the University of Queensland have developed a new model that explains how the quantum fluctuations of space-time itself could be the source of dark energy. Their results were published in the journal Physical Review Letters. According to the researchers, here's how it works. Space-time is like a vast ocean that's constantly fluctuating due to quantum effects. These fluctuations are extremely small, but they do have an effect on the way that matter moves through space. Normally, these quantum fluctuations average out to 0. However, the team showed that if space-time has a positive curvature, like the surface of a sphere, then the fluctuations can have a net effect. In other words, the more curved space-time is, the more these quantum fluctuations add up, and the greater the effect of dark energy becomes. In regions of space where the matter is evenly distributed, the effect of dark energy should be weaker because space-time doesn't have much curvature. However, when matter is clumped together, like in galaxies or galaxy clusters, it creates a dip in space. This means that the effect of dark energy would be stronger in these regions, causing an outward push that counteracts gravity. In other words, the greater the concentration of matter, the greater the effect of dark energy. And this would explain why we see galaxies and galaxy clusters speeding away from us at faster speeds than expected. The researchers say that their model could also explain other strange properties of the universe, such as the fact that it appears to have a flat geometry. According to their model, the curvature of space-time should be related to the amount of dark energy present. So, a larger amount of dark energy would result in a flatter universe. Now, it is important to note that this is just one model of many that attempt to explain dark energy, and the team acknowledges that there are some issues with their approach. For example, they have yet figured out how to quantize space-time or how to derive the results from a more fundamental theory. But the researchers are hopeful that their work represents progress toward understanding one of the biggest mysteries of modern physics. And if you're excited about learning more about the cutting-edge research happening in physics today, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We love bringing you the latest discoveries from around the world. For most of human history, the night sky was a source of both wonder and fear. The stars and planets seemed to move in mysterious ways, and their positions in the sky were often seen as omens of good or bad fortune. But in recent years, we've learned a lot more about the universe and our place in it. And now we have a new perspective on the meaning of life. We're just one planet orbiting a rather average star in a vast and ever-expanding universe. There are billions, perhaps trillions of other planets out there, and some of them may be like Earth, with life and even intelligent beings. We're part of something much bigger than ourselves, and our lives are just a tiny blip in the grand scheme of things. But despite our smallness, we've managed to achieve some truly remarkable things. We've explored the deepest mysteries of the universe and unlocked the secrets of life itself. We've created works of art and music that touch the human soul. And we've built societies and cultures that allow billions of people to thrive. So the next time you look up at the night sky and feel a sense of awe and wonder, remember that you're part of something truly special. You're part of the human race, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching!